Thanks for taking us through what's happening in trade this Thursday, Vikram. Let's talk to Jay Gupta, Moneylicious Capital and Advisory Services. Jay, a very good afternoon to you. Vikram was just taking us through the details of what's happening in the markets, but basically we were looking at a bit of a cool-off and the start of consolidation that's coming after the kind of levels that we've seen. How are you looking at this picture?
Yeah, hi, good afternoon. Today I've seen Nifty hitting new highs, and after that some kind of profit taking has come in. So I believe now, since the earning season is over, market is unlikely to test new highs. This is what I feel. I feel that some kind of profit taking would set in maybe today and tomorrow, and again it would be sector and stock specific which is likely to do well. I believe there is a flavor in the mid-cap space where companies which have been beaten down, which has got good numbers and good order books, are likely to perform well. Pharma, I think, would be with a kind of weakening rupee, pharma is likely to do well. So broadly on the indices side, I believe we can see 10,600 as a short-term resistance, and I expect market to trade maybe at 11,350, 400 levels, maybe tomorrow or Monday. But again, on a stock-specific side, I would stick to few pharma names and something on the consumption side where I would be buying.
It'd be interesting to see what you make of L&T right now. Now, as far as the rally that we've seen in the markets, it had been led by some of these blue chip stocks. L&T is in focus. The stock has jumped because the board has approved that 9,000 crore rupee buyback. It had enthused the stock even as the news had come in about the consideration as far as the board is concerned. And now that it has gone through, we're seeing a 2.75% up move on L&T. So the buyback is set at 1,500 rupees a share. The first buyback in the company's history so far. Jay, how are you looking at L&T as a stock right now, and at these levels? Would you be a buyer looking at the kind of moves the stock has been making in recent times?
Yeah, it looks like that some kind of positive moves can come in very short term, but it also infuses a lot of confidence among the investors that there's a buyback happening at 1,500 rupees price, and the way we have seen the last earnings season, and it gives a signal that the capex cycle is on the move, and we can see some kind of green shoots coming in. So L&T, being one of the leading names, would be a big beneficiary of that. So we feel this is a positive move, and I expect the stock to perform well in coming quarters as well.